Hello friends, this is Ishwar here, and in this video let us unbox the legendary Redmi Note 3. It has been years after its launch, but still we are gonna unbox this Redmi Note 3 in this video, and it's gonna be a special unboxing for me because this is what started this channel. In 2014 I started this channel, and this Redmi Note 3 helped me to maintain this channel and grow it up. So still, let's get started. So here I am with the box, and let us just unbox this very slowly and neatly. Here we have the Redmi Note 3, the legendary Redmi Note 3 over here, and let's keep this aside over here. And if we take this one, we have the regular leaflets. We have these manual and leaflets, which is pretty much the same for all the smartphones, and the SIM ejector tool has been taken from here to somewhere else. And now here we have the charger and the micro USB cable. So that's pretty much it for the box, and here we have the Redmi Note 3. And what we need to do is just power on this phone. Yeah, it's turning on. And here we have the Redmi Note 3 is now booted, and we can just unlock it. And yeah, the legendary Redmi Note 3 running on MIUI 9 and Android Marshmallow, and it's pretty much cool. It is running on Snapdragon 650, which is very rare in these years, and it's very great for this 2018. This Redmi Note 3 is very cool and better than Redmi Note 4 in terms of performance, but not in terms of battery and regular updates from Xiaomi. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of this Redmi Note 3, which was released a long back, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to share this video to your friends, hit the share button. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.